Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay, today I am going to teach you in this video lesson grammar. Okay, already I started this chapter, that is phrases. Did you remember that? Phrases. I started, but I didn't complete that fully. So today I am going to continue the same chapter, grammar, phrases. Okay, grammar is very important. Okay, without grammar we cannot write the sentence correctly, speak the sentence correctly. So grammar plays a very important role in English language. So please show your interest in grammar. Okay, so you should learn the grammar. So you are in 10th standard, you should know about what is a noun, what is a verb, what is an adjective, what is an preposition. Everything you should know. If anyone is asking any question, the moment you have to answer for that question. Even if 5th and 4th standard students are able to answer for the questions, why don't you? So 10th standard, I think most of the students you know that basic thing, but some students you now still you don't know what is a noun, what is a verb. Okay, so you should know about what is a noun, what is a verb and everything. That also I taught you parts of speech. Parts of speech again I am going to explain you, okay, in a detailed way, so that the basic thing if you understand, it's very easy to understand about phrases and everything. Okay, so what is a phrases? Okay, phrases means in a sentence it has two words only. Okay, so if you want to identify a phrases in the sentence, it has two words. So mostly it doesn't have the verb. Phrases, normal phrases I'm telling. Okay, so there are different kinds of types of phrases is there. Okay, so when we are going to see detailedly about them. So first phrases, for example I am telling, okay, a beautiful meadow, a beautiful meadow. So it gives some meaning, but it doesn't give a complete meaning. Okay, it a beautiful meadow. Meadow means greeny places. Okay, you can understand. It gives the meaning, but it not a complete sense. That is phrases. Okay, two words. Mostly it has two words only. Okay, so it has two words. Sometimes it doesn't have the verb. Sometimes it have the verb. So there are different types of words. What are the different types of phrases? We are going to see that. Noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase. Okay, so last class we have seen noun phrase, we have seen, and then adjective phrase we have seen. Up to that we have seen. Now we are going to see verb phrase and prepositional phrase. Okay, so so I want to write the example, then only you can understand that. Okay, verb phrase. Phrase I told you it contains two words. Okay, now we are going to learn verb phrase. Okay, it may be a single main verb or it have auxiliaries too. So in the phrase two words is there. In that phrase you have main verb. Okay, the what is the topic? Verb phrase. The word, the topic itself, we get the answer. Verb phrase. So you should have the verb in that phrase. Can you get that? Okay. Phrase. In that phrase we have two words. In that phrase you have the verb. That we call it as a verb phrase. It may be a single main verb. It might be a main verb, or it may have auxiliaries too. What do you mean by auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb means have, as, was, is. Okay, that is auxiliary verb, had, like that. So here we are going to see the example, then you can understand. Okay, So what are the phrases? Noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase and prepositional phrase. So now we are going to see verb phrase. One more phrase is also we having, adverb phrase is also having. Verb phrase. Understand? So now we are going to see the example. He came late. He was playing. So in this sentence we have, what is that? He came late. Okay, it's a one sentence. And then here he was playing. It's another sentence. Now we are going to identify the main verb. Okay, what is the main verb? Main verb is this is main verb. Understand? This is main verb. And here was. I want to show the difference between main verb and auxiliary verb. That's what I have written that. So here was is the auxiliary verb. Was is the, sorry. Was is the auxiliary verb. Verb you know, jumping, playing, teaching, doing action is the verb. Okay. So in this sentence we are going to see where is the main verb and where is the auxiliary verb. So he came late, in the sentence came is the main verb. Okay. Suppose you having as, had, like that, it's the auxiliary verb. Understand? So in the sentence he was playing. So here was is the auxiliary verb. Main verb you know, jumping, teaching. Directly they will say the doing words. Okay. Auxiliary verb means has, have, was, is, like that. Okay. So that is auxiliary. He was playing. So this is auxiliary verb. And here where is the main verb? Playing is the main verb. Okay. They are directly saying that play, what is that? Action word. That is main verb. Understand? So in a verb phrase you have a verb. It contains the verb. Now we are going to see adverb phrase. Okay, adverb phrase. I am not comfortable with writing down, so I am rubbing here. Don't worry, I will send you the pages in WhatsApp. Everything in that you having. Now adverb phrase. So before what we have seen, verb phrase, now adverb shape. Adverb phrase, what do you mean by adverb phrase? Phrase I told you two words, okay? Now adverb phrase they are telling. It has an adverb sometimes with an adverb of degree in front of it. So adverb phrase, in that you having that adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Adverb, it describes the verb. For example, she walks. Walks is the verb. She walks slowly. Slowly is the adverb. It describes how she walks. Okay. So here in adverb phrase you have the degree of adverb. Okay, degree adverb of degree you having. Actually in adverb it's a very detailed study. Okay, adverbs you have adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, and everything is there. So that we have to study separately. In your textbook they didn't give that, they have given adverb phrase only. So here adverb phrase, it contains the two words and it has adverb. Adverb means it describes the adverb. Okay. So now we see that example so that you can understand that. Okay. Grandfather visits. Grandfather visits as quite often. So here we have to identify where is the adverb. Okay. So grandfather, you know, grandfather is a noun subject and then visits is a verb. And here they have given quite. What do you mean by quite? That is adverb of degree. Okay. This is adverb of degree. Often, it's the adverb. So, for example, I told you know she walks fastly. So that fastly is the adverb. So here also it describes grandfather visit as quite often. Often means always. He visits as often, always. So that always is the adverb. So it's giving more information to the verb. Okay. How, when, how often, how frequency. Okay, frequency. So it describes how often, always. So it's all of often is the adverb, and quite is the adverb of degree. It's giving more information about the adverb. So it's quite is the adverb of degree. So adverbs it has, I told you know, adverbs of frequency is there, adverbs of there are so many mannerisms there, how the people are behaving. Okay, so nearby the verb only it will come. Okay, so here grandfather visits us quite often. Often is the adverb, quite is the adverb of degree. So next is prepositional phrase. Okay, so now a prepositional phrase is the combination of a preposition and a noun phrase. Okay. Next one we are going to study prepositional phrase. So in that prepositional phrase you have preposition. Very easy. Okay. What is preposition? Preposition examples is at, on, the, and. Very easy. Okay. Preposition you know. So in that preposition you have, in that phrase you have the preposition. A prepositional phrase is the combination of preposition and a noun phrase also it will come. Okay, and a noun phrase also it will come. Noun phrase means what? It all noun means names. Okay, so the names also in that prepositional phrase we have that. So if you see the example we can understand easily. Okay, I will write on the board, just see. So these words and all you have to open your mouth and you have to repeat the words, otherwise you won't pronounce correctly. So example is we met at the bus stop. So here where is the preposition here? Preposition I told you, on, at, and. Okay, these words are preposition. It always comes before the noun. Okay, preposition. Okay, what does it mean? Preposition. The position will come before. Okay, that is preposition. So now we, you know, we is the subject, met is the verb, you know. Now we are going to identify the preposition. At is the preposition. Preposition. Okay, that is the meaning. Preposition we are telling, that is preposition. And here where is the noun phrase here? Bus is the noun. So here noun. Very easy. Okay. Noun. And then stop, they have, I told you, know, two words. Phrase contains two words. Bus stop is a noun phrase. Both we call it as a noun phrase. So noun phrase, it always has the names and it contains two words. Understand? So this is very easy. We met at the bus stop. So at is the preposition and bus stop is the, bus is the noun and bus stop is the noun phrase. Okay, very easy. So what are the different types of phrases we having? Noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, prepositional phrase. Okay. Noun phrase, did you remember last previous class in grammar I taught you. Once again I'll just repeat that. Okay. Noun phrase as a noun usually preceded by a determiner or an adjective. A noun phrase also is a noun, a pronoun also is a noun phrase. So in a noun phrase always the names will come, pronoun also come. What do you mean by pronoun? That day I told you. Instead of putting the names, we use that he or she. Okay. So that is the example they have given. We saw an old man. So we is the pronoun. We are not using the names. Instead of using the name, we are using we. And then determiner, you know. Determiner is, what is it? And like that. Okay. The, a, that is determiner. And then old is the adjective. Old is the adjective. Man is the noun. So what is an adjective? Adjective is describes a noun. So here old man means man is noun. How the man is. So it describing the man, we call it as an adjective. So old is adjective, man is the noun. So last class this and all we have seen. So just again I am repeating. Okay. And then adjective phrase. Adjective phrase is she is very beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective and very is the adverb. I told you, no, adverb is describing the verb. It gives more modification of verb. Okay. So sometimes you feel you thought it's very difficult, but it's not difficult. If you see, if you are sees more examples, you will understand very easily. Very easy only. So this class we have completed the phrases. Please ask me if you have any doubt. I am ready to answer for your queries. So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.